Serenity now, insanity later.
Apparently, they're illiterate or they just can't read. Most people attempting a right hand turn will be in the right hand lane, but not this guy. This driver makes an unconventional approach to exiting. He waits till the last minute and then crosses all lanes of traffic. Another unconventional approach to exiting. This driver wants to make a left hand turn, but exits in the right hand lane. Congratulations on winning our first ever Bonehead Move of the Week. To most drivers, a red light would signify the need to stop, but this driver has a slightly different interpretation. And this driver won't let something like a red light stop his U turn. This car is parked right in front of a no parking sign, and I missed the light. This driver is obviously confused about the meaning of right turn only. Serenity now! Serenity now!